IT class. How is it going? Are you going well? Okay, fine. So, in this section, we are starting our chapter 2, that is setting the page. By seeing the heading, you feel that it is something related to the LibreOffice Writer, isn't it? Okay, so it is correct. We are doing our second work in the LibreOffice Writer software. Okay, you know to type in the LibreOffice Writer, isn't it? You know to type English and you know to type Malayalam letters. Okay. The files prepared in LibreOffice Writer could be edited, modified, and you can add so many features to your work and you can make it more attractive. At last you could take the printout of that page, isn't it? Is it possible in LibreOffice Writer? Yes, of course. It is possible. So, your first step is to type a seminar paper in the LibreOffice Writer. Okay, in the textbook you can see that two children are going to type their presentation regarding to their Vidyarangam Literary Fest. Okay, so you are also going to type a seminar presentation in the LibreOffice Writer. Are you ready? Okay. For that, what is the first step? You want to open LibreOffice Writer. How can you open LibreOffice Writer? Click on Applications, Office, LibreOffice Writer. So after the LibreOffice Writer is opened, then the next step is to type the content into the word processor. Which is the word processor? LibreOffice Writer. Okay. You have already practiced to type your mother tongue, which is that Malayalam letters. Okay. Did you feel any difficulty? Some of you may feel to type the chillaksharangal, isn't it? Some of you may feel difficulty in typing kottaksharangal, isn't it? Now you can recollect what you have done in the previous classes. You can see a table in your textbook, table 2.1 compound letters. In that there are 5 letters for you. Which are they? Ikka, Imba, Iksha, Itra, Inja. Okay. What is that? Compound letters, which means combining 2 letters with the help of this symbol. Okay. So, you can see that the left box is empty, which means that you want to fill that box by writing the letters. Okay. Then the next table is helpful for knowing about the chillaksharangal. Okay. Which are the chillaksharangal? In, il, ir, un, and il. Okay. How can we type ir? Yes, ra plus d plus closing square bracket. Okay. So there are some shortcuts also to type the chillaksharangal. You want to note that now itself in your textbook. Ir can be typed by clicking on slash button. Then in shift plus V. Okay. Il shift plus full stop. Then il shift plus star or 8 in your keyboard. Then in shift plus X. These are the shortcuts for typing chillaksharangal.
Activity 2.1. Let us digitize this seminar paper. Here in page number 21, you can see figure 2.1. It is an unformatted page. See? Okay. So, this is the content that you want to type for the seminar presentation of Vidyarangam Literary Fest. Okay. For typing this, you want to open LibreOffice Writer from Applications, Office, LibreOffice Writer. Then turn the keyboard indicator into Malayalam language and you want to type this. So, for time being, I am opening cherukada.odt from the school resources folder. Okay. Home, School Resources, Standard 9, cherukada.odt. Okay. See, this is the content. Now, you want to save it into your folder, which means Students Work 9th folder. For saving that, you want to go for File, click on Save As, Home. Now it is in the School Resources folder. So you want to change it into Students Work 9th folder. But the original must be in the School Resources folder. Okay, so click on Save As. Then select Students Work 9. Here we can give the name. Activity 2. Okay, this is the second chapter. So activity 2 and click on the save button. See, now your work is saved into students work 9th folder and the original is safe in the school resources folder. Now you can give any changes to this file. Okay, see this picture. Is the contents are same from figure 2.1? Yes, the content is same, but there is a change. What is that change? Yes, very good. The first figure is an unformatted page, but the second figure is the formatted page. There are lot of changes occurred in figure 2.2. Okay, so you want to write your observations in the space provided, page number 22. Okay, so first one is adjusted the size of the font. Can you say the changes? Yes, the font size and font family is changed, isn't it? By looking at it, you can understand it very easily. Then the spacing between the paragraphs. This is a simple one. This is separated into paragraphs and it provides a space between the paragraphs. Then fourth one, provided background color and borders to the page. This page do not having background color and borders, but here you can see the background color and four side border. Okay, then the 3 columns are left for you. You want to write it. What all things you can write? Here the heading is simply written into the left side, but here it aligned to center. Then the font color pasted into blue and it having underline also. Okay, so write it into your textbook. So you know that there are lot of techniques to edit the letters and paragraphs by using the LibreOffice Writer. Okay, so you can just see a column that is superscript and subscript. Okay, so there are lot of occasions will occur to type like this, equations and symbols. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Then the H2 SO4 like chemical formulas. Okay. So if you want to type or if you want to see the 2 of a square. Okay. This 2 want to be appeared above the letter A. So for that you can call it as superscript. Above the letter means superscript. Then here, what is the case here? This 2 and 4 must be below the letters. Okay, so that could be called as subscript. To arrange letters and numbers, we want to select them. Okay, so here 2 must be changed or go to the upper position. Okay, so change 2. Then there is 2 steps to change this into superscript. Click on format. First one is select the text option. Then you can see here superscript and subscript option. Here the 2 must be go to the upper position. So you want to click on superscript or subscript? Yes, superscript. Okay, click here. See, now you can read it as a square. Likewise, change this 2. Okay, so select this 2. Then go for format. Then the second step. Okay, you can either go for text then superscript, and another step is that go to format then character. Okay, here you can see many tabs. From this you want to select the position. Okay, here also you can see superscript, normal, then subscript. From this you want to tick superscript, click on OK button. See, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now here you want to select both 2 and 4. How can you select it? Can you select this 2 and this 4 separately? How? Yes, first select the 2. Then click on the control. Hold the control key in your keyboard. Then select the 4. See? Now both 2 and 4 are selected. Okay. Now go to format and either go to text or character. Now I am going with text option. Here superscript or subscript? Subscript. Okay. See? Now you can read it as H2SO4. Okay. So you want to just keep it in your mind. Now we can move to our session. What is that? Malayala Cherukada. Okay. Take activity 2.2. Here you are going to change the layout of the page. Okay. So how can you change the layout? Yes, very good. You want to select whatever things you want to change. For making any changes to the page, you could go for the page style window. Where can you see page style window? Just click on format menu, then go to page. See, this is the page style window. Okay, can you see its name? Page style. Okay, here there are lot of tabs: organizer tab, page tab, area, transparency, header, footer, border, columns, footnote. Okay, from here if you want to change the page, you could select the tab page. See, there are lot of options here. First of all, you want to change the margin. See, here you can see the margins heading, and here you can see the preview. If you are changing anything in this section, in the right side you can see the preview of that. Okay, now I am just increasing the left margin. Okay, just see here what is happening. Okay, did you understood? Then if you want to reduce it, click on the minus button. Okay, likewise you can change the left margin, right margin, top margin and bottom. Okay, then this is the orientation. There are two options for that, portrait and landscape. The default orientation is portrait. If you want to take it as landscape, see, it will be like this. Okay, so select portrait option. Then the paper format. So if you want to take the printout of that page, you are going to type, you want to give it as the size A4. Okay, paper format is given into A4. Then click on the OK button. Okay, now you are going to give the background color. How can you give the background color? For that, select page style window, format, page. Here you can see area. Okay, color. From that, there are so many colors in the color palette. From this you could select any one color and click on the apply button, then click on the OK button. So now our page is more attractive because it got the background color. Okay, now activity 2.3, you are going to provide borders for that. See, this page is having the border. Okay, so we are going to give the borders, red color border. For that, format, page. Now the page style window is open. Click on the borders tab. Here you can see line arrangement option. Okay, so this is the borders for all side, 4 side border. This is for left and right only, up and down only, for left side only. Here we want 4 side borders, so click here. Then if you want shadow, you can click here. Okay, like this. Then here under the line there are 3 options: style, width and color. So you can select any style from this. Okay, Then if you want to increase the width, you can click here. See, the width is increasing. Okay, so adjust it. Now the color must be in the red color. Okay, here you can see the padding option. Okay, so you can adjust the space between the borders. Okay, this is the border and the contents is inside the border. If we want to adjust the space between the border and the letters, you can adjust it here. Where? In the padding field. Okay, like increasing. Okay, then click on the apply button, then click on the OK button. See, the shadow is came and the border is also came in red color. Okay, now you are going to insert the header and footer. Activity 2.4, insert header and footer. Open your textbook and look at the top and bottom portion of each page. You can see the header and footer here. So in your textbook it is given that the name of the chapter as the header and the page number and subject's name and class is given in the footer section. Okay, but here in this seminar presentation you want to give the page number as the header. So we can see how to give the page number as header. For that, click on format page. Now the page style window is open. Then you can select header. Okay, then under the heading header you want to give a tick mark here. Now the header is on. Okay, now click on the OK button. Just click here, you can see the header. Now you want to insert the page number here. For that, click on insert, then go to the fields. Here you can give the page number. See, here we can see page number 1, then page number 2, page number 3, etc. If you want to adjust it into the center position, you can select it and align it into center. Okay, like this. So if you are giving any changes in the first page, it will affect to the next pages also. See, the page number is came into center position. Okay, next you want to give the footer. Okay, so click here, you can see the footer space. Now you want to give the title of the seminar in the first page. Okay, then the name of your school in the second page. Is it possible? Let us see. Now I am just typing anything here. Literary Fest. Okay, and we can examine the next pages. See, in all the pages it has came as Literary Fest. So we want the name of the school in the second page. Now we are going to try to change it as second page, the school name SP and SP EHS. Okay, now see, all the pages is changed into SP and SP EHS. So to solve this problem, you can just undo it. Okay, then go to format page. Here you can see the footer option. See, there is a point that is same content on left and right pages. Okay, so you want to remove this tick mark. We don't want the same content on all the pages. Okay, so just remove this tick mark and click OK button. Now you can see the literary first on the first page. Here you can edit it as our school name. Now we can examine what changes had occurred here. See, first page literary first, second page FP and SP, third page literary first, and last page SP and SP EHS. Okay.
Okay, my dear children, I hope you all understood this topic. If you are having any doubts regarding this, you can contact me through your WhatsApp. Okay, so you want to write one word question and answer into your fair notebook as the continuation of chapter 1. Okay. Here is your assignment, that is, you have to fill the table 2.1. Also, you could write 10 Malayalam letters, and in the right side you could write the English alphabets which is used to type that letters. Okay. So, we can meet in the next class by the next topic. Stay at your home, stay safe and take care. Thank you.